Okay, so you'd like to add a title to your post. So first of all, you're going to need a post. So we'll add a post just for this example. Once you have your post, often the template, the default template, has a title already there. So you can then put in your title and then your text afterwards. However, say you've already written something in this one, and you put an image in. Okay, so we've got an image there, and then you want to put another title in. If you go up to the left here, up to the top, there's a plus icon. And that gives the blocks. You can go into more information on what are blocks and paragraphs and so on in some of the other videos, but blocks are structures essentially within your WordPress. So in this instance, we're in the blocks section on the left there. And this video is about heading, so click on the heading icon and that will add it to the document. Heading number 2. You can change the actual text colors, you can change the background, the size, and so on. All the options are there, but that's how you put a heading into a WordPress document. If that was useful, please give the video a like. Subscribe for more helpful hints and tips with WordPress.